Video we're going to practice reflecting in horizontal and vertical lines. So I'm going to find the image of triangle ABC with these vertices after the reflection described. Okay, so for these examples we really need to remember what our Hoy and Vux is. So this one, x equals 3, it's x, so that's going to be my Vux. So if you recall, Hoy, that is my y equals some number equation, and that means it's going to be horizontal. Where Vux, that was my x equals some number, and this is going to be vertical. And so since this one is x equals 3, it's a Vux, so that means it's vertical. So I want to go to 3 on my x-axis, and I'm going to draw a vertical line through 3. Okay, and so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to first plot my triangle ABC. So I have A is 1, 3. And I'm going to make sure I label every point. B is 5, 2. And C is 2, 1. And so that's my triangle ABC. And now it's telling me I want to reflect across the line x equals 3. And so to do that, I want to just start with A and I'm going to go from there. And so I see that A is 2 spaces away from my vertical line. And so to reflect it, I'm just going to go 2 spaces on the other side. And so I get that point. And I'm going to go ahead and write down what that point is. And that's at 5, 3. Okay, and then for my B, I see this one is also 2 spaces away from my vertical line. So now I want to go 2 spaces on the other side. And so I get B prime is right there. And that's at the point 1, 2. Okay, and then for my C prime, I see my C is 1 space away from my vertical line. So now I need to go 1 space to the other side. And so I see that that point is at 4, 1. And so there is my reflected figure when I reflect it across the line x equals 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get the next one started for you, and then I'm going to have you finish it. So this one says to reflect in the line y equals 1, and so that's going to be my Hoy. So I know it's a horizontal line, so I'm going to go to y equals 1 on my y-axis, so I see it's right here, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So this is now the line that I'm going to be reflecting across. So I'm going to go ahead and plot my triangle ABC again. So I have A, 1, 3, B is at 5, 2, and C is at 2, 1. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to find the coordinates of A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, so this is the answer you should have gotten for this one. And so how I got my A prime was I saw that A was 2 units away from this horizontal line, so I had to go 2 units the opposite direction. For B, it was only 1 away, so I just went 1 the opposite direction. And then remember, when the point is actually on the line of reflection, the reflected point is still going to be that same point. So C and C prime are actually the same point here. Okay, that's it for this video, and go ahead and move on to that last one where we'll look at some more reflection examples.